Okay, guys, I use the trend trading strategy for this setup, and we're going to see the outcome of what we are able to achieve with this setup. Okay, we've been on this particular trade for some days now, and I'm going to show you how we've been going on and up. I mean, up and down with this particular trade using the same strategy, which I have been teaching in my videos. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, and make sure you share the videos with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this particular asset happens to be pin X 1200, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and it all started from here, guys. It all started from here, and this actually got to the resistance zone at this point. I always tell you something. Once an asset gets to the resistance zone, there are two things that can happen from there, either resistance or support zone. It is either there is a breakout from the resistance or support region, or probably there will be a switch in direction of the trend. So this was unable to break out from this resistance zone. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend. How do I know that? Okay, that it's about switching. You can see this yellow color. It shows that the market is on uptrend at this point, and this red color shows that the market is on downtrend. So immediately I saw the red color, I just need to wait for the red arrow, and I set in my order. And of course, I placed my order. We milked it till this very end, to the support region. We milked right from here to the very end of this of the trend. Okay, and we made over 30,384 points from there. That's so amazing. Remember, this particular chart is on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so that is why we are able to achieve this. Okay, so right from here, this also switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, just the way we are saying it. And of course, we jumped into it again, and we milked it to the very end of the trend. Okay, so that is why I said the trend trading strategy is still the best trading strategy, which you can use anytime, any day. Okay, so we made use of the trend trading strategy to achieve it. This is another 31,090 points. Okay, so we made use of the trend trading strategy to achieve all the within a short period of time. Okay, milking the market together. So after getting to this resistance, you remember it has gotten to the resistance zone at this point. It was unable to break out from there, so we are most likely to have it repeating the same process around there, except if it breaks out from the resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out from the resistance zone, it will keep on buying and will be targeting the next resistance zone. But since it didn't break out from there, we just need to wait for it to switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. And as we can see, it switched into a downtrend at this point, and we gave in, I mean, we added our entry points to this side, and of course we also put our stop loss at the top right here. And right from there, this time around we are trading the spiky part of this asset, and check it out. We made a lot of profits with it, guys. We made a lot of profits. Check it out, guys. And it spiked down till it got to this particular support region. So that is how beautiful it is. That is why it is important for you to understand the strategy. Once you understand it, then you are most likely to milk the asset, or whatever asset you want to milk, for a very long time. Let's calculate the amount of points we are able to achieve with this. Okay, these actually gave us how many points? That is 45,897 points. That's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. Just trading spikes using this strategy. Okay, so right now we are hoping that it get to the support region and it switch from a downtrend into an uptrend again. Then we jump into it again and trade it to the very end of the trend again. That is how beautiful it is. Now let me explain what we do with this strategy. What we try to do is to identify when the trend is switching from one trend to another. For instance, this was an uptrend before, it was an uptrend, and when it got to this resistance, we realized that most of the time the trend will switch at the resistance zone or the support region, most especially when they are a major ones. Okay, so this was an uptrend, so definitely the resistance zone is what we should be targeting. And when it got to the resistance zone at this point, it switched because it was unable to break out above the resistance zone. It switched into a downtrend, and immediately that happens, okay, we've gotten the trend signal for a downtrend, and of course we also got a sell signal. So we had to do the setup immediately. We set our entry point order and of course the stop loss, and we allowed it to play out, guys. We allowed it to play out because some of you will ask me, why am I setting stop loss? Like I always tell you, whatever capital you are using to trade is your hard earned money. Okay, so we are not here to lose our capital. Okay, we are not here to lose our capital. The main purpose of we coming to this platform to trade is for us to make some good amount of profit for ourselves. Okay, so if we are not making profit, then we shouldn't lose our capital. So this is very, very important. So that is why I always make sure you add your stop loss to the right place. Your risk management system is always very, very important. If you are having multiple orders, make sure each of the orders are also having stop loss backing them up. Okay, in case the market decides to misbehave and go the other way around, okay, it can get to this region and go back to break out from the resistance zone. It happens like that. It has happened like that several times. Okay, but this time around it didn't happen. I mean, in that way, but that does not mean it cannot happen like that. Okay, so that is why it is important you use your stop loss. Okay, so if it happens like that and it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will get to my stop loss, and what will happen? I will be taken away from the market. I will only be losing a little out of my capital instead of me losing it all. In short, I might just be losing just $5 out of the capital which I am having. Okay, depending on the lot size I am using. Okay, so that is very, very important. So once this happens, then it gives us more assurance within the market. Okay, so once you are able to do this setup, you have more assurance in the market already. You've already noticed that it is finding difficult to break out above the resistance zone, and this has switched from one trend to another. Even the trend is still at the beginning, and you've gotten an entry point signal already. So just do your setup, um place your order, set your stop loss. If you want, you can highlight some TPs for yourself, and you can also leave it blank and allow it to play out so that you get to know where it is heading to. It all depends on you. You can see the movement was not that smooth at the beginning. In short, it went back to give me negative figure, and of course later on came down and gave me a lot of profit at the end of the day. So you can see that is how beautiful it is. So that is why I want you to learn this strategy first. Learn, make sure you understand how it works, and of course practice it very well on your demo account before you now start trying it out on your real account. If you are able to achieve this, then you are good to go. So guys, I will be stopping right there. Okay, in case you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, or you drop your question in the comment section. But if you want to make inquiry about my custom made indicator, then definitely you should reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.